What's up, muscle car people? This is Bringing Muscle Cars, and I'm Matt. We got Jared, aka the driver of stickers. We got TJ, the guy with the nice beard. Alright, so we're working on stickers, getting her ready for one lap of America and drag week. We're making history. Well, Jared's making history. TJ's driving. And TJ's driving.
At least one lap.
So, we had to...
As you saw in the last episode, we had to relocate the stock windshield washer fluid bottle. Right. We just got back from the junkyard.
Yes.
Washer fluid tank out of the Civic, so we're good here.
And parts for the super secret car that I have that nobody knows about.
We picked this up out of a 90s Honda Civic. It's small, it works, it pumps, and we're just gonna make it fit somehow. I don't know how yet, but we're gonna make it fit.
And we don't know where.
Yeah, we know where.
Oh, you know where? Okay.
Dude, because if you don't, people might work here. And I'm like, you guys. Alright, we just need 9 pounds of flex steel, guys.
Don't people pick up like 5 horsepower on their application?
We are not messing with the air. You going in?
I killed this going in.
Yeah!
It was at this point we had the bottle mounted, but we had forgot to take into account the backing of the fog light, which I didn't realize would hit the washer bottle. Alright, so we almost had a huge issue. I spent forever mounting these brackets to the pinch weld there. It hit the fog light. So we just rotated it around and bent the bracket backwards, and it seems to be fine. It goes up and uses the OEM filler neck. Otherwise, it's good. I don't see any issues with this. We'll get some Flex Seal and spray it around there just to seal that gap up, and this should be good to go.
That actually works beautiful. Alright, we're done with the windshield washer relocation project. Bottle off a 90s Honda Civic. You can see down here, this is the bottle. It is zip tie supported here. It's bracketed there. We managed to get around the bumper issue. We still are using the factory fill neck, which we got to fit in the bottle down there, and we have some Flex Seal holding that in place. We have line ran across here into the factory pump. It's wired up factory, and show you that it works. Honda Civic washer bottle in a G8. Never been done before. Sweet.
It's about using...
Alright, thanks for watching the washer bottle relocate. One more thing to cross off the list. Remember, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, subscribe please, share the video, the whole 9 yards. And as always say,
if you got a fast car, you better bring it. Thanks for watching.
1, 2, 3.